Hey y'all, out here at SEMA 2013, and like I said, SEMA's a whole different level, and they've got off-road stuff, on-road stuff, street ride stuff, new stuff, you name it, it's all out here. But I got a mini monster truck I want to show you, so let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a look at it. Now, I've never seen one before, so there may be tons of these out there. You know, I don't know nothing, but I thought it was cool, and my first thought was, oh my goodness, they got junior dragsters. Now you know everybody's dad's going to be going out and building them a little monster truck. Fiberworks. Looks like they're the ones that made the body for it. Holy smokes, that thing's running a real motor. Yeah, right, I thought it'd be running an ATV or something. I know, call me crazy, but look at that. I ain't sure it's hooked up. Looks like we got some wires and all, but the tension's good. Ford something, little 6-cylinder. Trailer hitch. I don't know what you're trailering with it.
Don't change your attitude, just leave it. Remember you tried that?
That's just cool, man. I don't know what else to say, but you know, welcome to SEMA, right? A mini monster truck from SEMA 2013. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya.